Many people, when they are being asked the question, what is marketing? Some say that marketing is selling. Some say that marketing is advertising and selling. But both these answers are not correct. Hello everyone, my name is Subhajit Ganguly, and today in this video, we will try to learn the answer to the question, what is marketing? Please watch the video till the end. Marketing is understanding the needs and wants of customers, design the offerings as per those needs and wants, and exchange them with customers against money to ensure customer satisfaction and profit. Here the term offerings mean the products or services along with the benefits that the organizations offer to its customers. To understand this definition further, we need to understand the terms need, want and demand. What are need, want and demand? First we will discuss about need. Needs are the basic things that we require for survival, such as air, food, clothing, water, etc. Needs are divided into three categories: physical needs, social needs, individual needs. Physical needs include the basic human requirements such as air for breathing, food, water, clothing and shelter. Social needs are the requirements for belongings and affection from friends and family. Individual needs can be varied depending on each person's perception, knowledge and environment. Thus, individual needs evolve from a person's self-esteem and self-expression. Now we will discuss about wants. Wants are directed by our surrounding towards reaching certain needs. Wants can be varied on perception, environment, culture and society. For example, an American needs food, but he may want a hamburger, fried potato and beer. An Indian needs food, but he may want a bowl of rice and curry. So wants are modified need of an individual according to his taste and mood. Now we will talk about demand. Needs or wants turn to be demands when a customer is willing and having the ability to buy that need or want. In short, desire plus ability to buy is equal to demand. The customer should find value in the product that he purchases so that his needs are met, and this helps him to become loyal with the organization. Now we have to understand the term value. What is value? Value is individual's desire to retain or obtain a product depending upon the product's performance and product details. So value of a product includes the cost and subjective part of product associated with the cost. Here the term subjective part means the color, size, benefits, features, etc. of a product. Hence, the prime duty of a marketer is to build and promote a brand, associate the product with the brand so that it stands out in the market. Now, what does brand mean? A brand is an identifying symbol, mark, logo, name, word and or sentence that companies use to distinguish their product from others. A brand is seen as one of a company's most valuable assets. It represents the face of a company, the recognizable logo, slogan or mark that the public associates with the company. In fact, the company is often referred to by its brand and they become one and the same. For example, Airtel is a brand of Bharti Airtel Limited. Thumbs Up is a brand of Coca-Cola Company. Apple is a brand of Apple Inc. Windows, Skype and Outlook are the brands of Microsoft company. Philip Kotler defined marketing as a social and managerial process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating, offering and exchanging products value with others. In this definition, emphasis has been given on the terms creating, offering, exchanging. So what does the organizations do in creating? Organizations first find out the met and unmet needs of the customers. So what are met needs? Met needs are the needs that are getting satisfied through various offerings of products and services. Example, all the existing products available in the market satisfy our certain needs. These needs are met needs. So what does unmet needs mean? Unmet needs are the needs of consumers that are not yet fulfilled or tapped. These needs are yet to be addressed by the producers or organizations. For example, Airtel, Jio and Vodafone identified the unmet needs of consumers for faster internet with cheap rates and hence launched 4G network at much affordable price. Within creating, the organizations design a new product or develop the existing products as per the consumer's unmet need, keeping the met need intact. Marketers identify unsatisfied demand for various needs, provide information to entrepreneurs. Marketers take the new product ideas, test market them, give feedback to the organizations to improve their products. Under offerings, organizations after product creation attach different values to the product and create an offer which are lucrative to customers. Under exchanging, the organizations then exchange this offering with customers against money so that the organizations get profit to achieve their goals. As per Peter Drucker stated that the purpose of business is to create and keep customers. Hence, the goal of marketing is long-term satisfaction and not short-term deception. Thus, marketing covers a wide range of functions. Marketing activities begin before the production process and continue even after the sales have taken place. I hope the term marketing is now clear to you all. If you like this video, kindly subscribe this channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.